Now, for question 4 through 7, it's asking you to convert these polar coordinates, which means that you're going from r theta to x and y. Now, I've been saying this constantly, that if you have given coordinates, you need to sketch them because it gives you an idea. And a lot of times people find math hard is because they are not using the resources wisely. Now, if you look at this, it is 2 comma 5 pi over 3. So that means you're looking at the angle 5 pi over 3. So somewhere in this direction, and the r value is 4. So this is 4 total. Now the angle that's 5 pi over 3. That means this angle right here, it's 5 pi over 3. So guess what? Well, do you have the x comma y here? And we say, well, what's x and what's y? Well, if you know that x is equal to r cosine theta, okay, and y is equal to r sine theta, it is extremely straightforward. So you have basically 4 cosine of 5 pi over 3, comma, 4 sine of 5 pi over 3. Oh, sorry. It is 2. I don't know what I was. Oh, yes. That's why. Yeah, it has to come from somewhere. So it's 2, sorry. It's 2. So here you just need to know your unit circle values. So you know 5 pi over 3, it's quadrant 4, it is in quadrant 4, so it's be a 1/2. So 2 times 1/2 would give you 1. And then you have sine of 5 pi over 3, that would be a negative value. And it would be negative root 3 over 2 times 2, so it's just negative with 3. Now, here's the most important part. It's more important than getting these values, is to see if it makes sense. Do you expect a positive x value? And we say, yeah, it's the right-hand side of the y-axis, so we do expect a positive x value. Do you expect a negative y value? And we say, yeah, of course, because it's right here. This is a negative y value. And then you can move on to the next question. Now, I also want you to understand that as you get to a higher level studies, okay, not just in mathematics, you've got to ask yourself this question: does it make sense? You're not a robot, you're a human. You're able to make sense. Robot, as of now, does not make any sense. They do not have the ability to make sense. They just carry out the codes that human writes to them. Yes? Sine of 5 pi over 3, it's root 3 over 2 with a negative. Many times 2, you get negative root 3. Okay?